Thank you. Hey yo! Oh no. Oh no. I heard a Musina voice. I heard. Oh! Wow, that is not good. Oh, they're having another WWE wrestling tournament over here. Oh, it's not good. Why don't you guys just become friends or something? You have like pretty much similar interests. Like you both go crazy about things. You both crazy, obsessed about, I guess, me and stuff. What is your favorite color? Simple question. Orange. What's your favorite color, Musina? Whatever Moose is. Mine is orange. Boom. You like orange. You like orange. Your favorite fruits are orange. Boom. Now you guys are best friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm out of here. That's how you gotta handle problems right there. We don't need you. Ow. Yes! I'm free. No, I regret my decision. You're not free. No, come back. Oh my. Welcome to the day of daycare. So let's see what it is. You know what, man? It's been like 2 days and the daycare is still burnt down, bro. How do we even fix this? Like, where do we even begin? Like, everything's on lava. There's all this water everywhere and fire everywhere and stuff. And you know what? Hey, where's Jeff at? When we need him most, where'd he go? Where'd he go completely? Huh? Oh my God, this doesn't make any sense at all. Whatever. Hey, wait. Hey, what's up, Scar? Moose! Hey, Scar, how you doing? You're back. Hey, where are you? I'm right here. How you doing? It's been a while. So, wait. Hold on. Was it Musina here? Like, yesterday? Oh, hey, where'd Musina go? Did you guys, like, become best friends and stuff? We, what? Made up. Oh, dude, that's awesome to hear. That's actually pretty cool. So, all right, that's awesome. Cool. Yeah. I didn't lock her away. What are you talking about? What? So you guys are, like, best friends, right? Like, it's like, what's, like, something like the characteristics you guys share now? Do you, like, both like pizza and stuff or what, huh? So anyways, you're not answering the question. It's, just a, Jeff Corbin. You're avoiding the question. Is there something wrong? I feel like something's completely wrong. No, I'm not. So then, what's one of your favorite things? Huh? Just go with it. You seem very suspicious. I don't know. You just got that kind of vibe. I don't know. Yeah, a little bit of a bad vibe here. I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Jeff Colby. All right. Okay. All right. So what did Jeff say? He had some news. Oh, okay. So what's the news? Huh? What's that going to be? Someone's coming. Wait. There's... What? What do you mean? Like a new student? A new person? What? Since when? Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. All right, so who's this new person gonna be? Who's they gonna be? Huh? Wait. Oh my God. What if it's Mario? Apparently he's different though. Hey! What was that? What? Did you hear that? Is that the new person? So Jeff called you and he said there's a new person coming to the daycare. But he still hasn't come back to fix it. What kind of an impression is that, dude? It's like the worst impression ever to have on a student. Oh my God! Oh. Stay back. What is that? Oh. Hi, Patrick! Cut! Get on fire! Hi, Squidward! Whoa. Hold up. Yo, mister, we don't know you, man. We don't know you at all. Just take 10 steps back. I don't know. Where's Mr. Krabs? Well, it takes 10 steps back right now. I don't know what even are you? I hate him. Wait, what? You hate Mr. Krabs? What? Now leave! Whoa! Stop! He's dangerous. Well, I don't know what your name. What's your name? Huh? Oh my God, you are very happy. What? Why is your mouth open? What? I brought food. Kelp! What are you doing here, first of all? What are you even doing here? I'm the new guy! Wait! Oh, Jeff! That's right, Jeff called us. So, Jeff, you're not you. Wait, so you spoke to Jeff, right? Jeff the Moose? Yes, me! Get someone else! Scout, come on. Don't be mean to someone. Come on, like, they ain't no different from us. Look. He's just me. Except he's a sponge. Look at him. And it kind of looks like he's going to eat you too. But hey, it doesn't matter. Who cares? Come on. Come on. Come on. What's wrong with you? At the end of the day, we're all the same. Come on. How can you breathe? I don't know. Sponges can breathe in air. I don't know, bro. It's a sponge, dude. They don't die from not being in water. Duh. I know, but still. I don't know. So, SpongeBob. Weren't you the one that tried to kill us in the daycare like a couple days ago? Yeah, we didn't forget that. Yeah, the hide and seek thing. No. Yeah. That was you. That was my bro. What? You have a brother? Huh? Yes. So why would you come here if it was your brother? I feel like that's kind of scary. Like two bros, like Stinky Bob. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. All right, you know what? Follow me, awesome. All right. So then he died here too. What? He never died. He ran away. But what? Why would you even come here? That is pretty savage. What, my bro? Oh, you didn't see that? Oops. Hey! Don't hit me. I didn't do anything, you nub. Oh my god. So SpongeBob, you killed my bro. What are you talking about? No one killed your bro. He's a sponge. He doesn't die. Yeah, Moose did. Skylar, you're not making this any better. I hope you guys. You're getting the sponge back. Hey, stop. Yo, stop. Relax, bro. Take it easy. Hey, relax, SpongeBob. You're the new student. Make a good impression, dude. You want to get expelled? Give me my bro back. Hey. Listen, bro, I don't have your bro. Okay, just buy a car, bro. Just get away. I don't feed him to Lucy. You did. You fed him to Lucy? What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? You never even met my dog. She doesn't want to talk to you. He ran out of food. Who's Lucy? Lucy's my puppy. She's a very special dog. I love her. Okay. All right. So SpongeBob, what is your number one favorite thing about? Hold on. Why are you even in the daycare? Why are you going back to daycare? Huh? You look a little bit older than us, dude. He too cute. Yeah, don't eat him. Man. What? It's a sheep, just so you know. So why are you even here? I never finished daycare. Oh, I can kind of see that by the open mouth and the scary stuff. All right. So you're probably like 78. Yeah. How old are you? All right. Got 79. Wow. You're a grandpa. Should you be teaching class? All right. So anyways, SpongeBob. I feel like for you, age doesn't really matter. You're like straight up a sponge, so you don't really age. All right. So anyways, SpongeBob, what is your number one favorite thing to do? Huh? Do you like learning? Do you like school? What do you like to... Here you go. SpongeBob, what's your number one favorite thing to do? Eating people, working at Krusty Krab. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. And what do you do on a daily basis? Huh? Like, are you like a professor? Cook food? Oh, well, that's pretty awesome because I love food and I like working in general. So, can you make us food then? You know what? Yo, SpongeBob, you're not that bad of a guy. You a cool guy. You a cool cat. Hey, you know what, bro? What's that? What? It's not healthy. It's not. I can trust you, random food, even though we just met. I don't think that's how it works, and that seems very, very sketch. You know that? Hey, relax with the pufferfish. Come on. All right. Here is Miss Puff. Are you sure about that? What are you doing? I made her into a bite-sized portions. That sounds very unhealthy in many ways. You can't just eat this. That is not good at all. So, hold on. SpongeBob. Are you trying to poison us? It's kind of what it seems like. I feel like... never! Alright, buddy. How about this, bro? You want to go climb the daycare with us, dude? We're going to jump from the top. You down? Let's go. Come on, bro. No! We're not. It's cool, bro. Yeah! Come on, guys. Come on, ladies. Let's go do a dangerous thing that we should be doing it all. Yay! Do not try this at home, please. All right, what happened to this thing? What? Oh, that's daycare. You got caught on fire. Yeah, it's a fire emergency. And Jeff's actually kind of gone a little bit. Come on, let's all climb the daycare. Come on. Yay! Safety comes first. Everyone wear a helmet. Yay! Come on, follow me, dudes. Follow me. Right over here. Hoop. Ugh. Got him. Right up here. Come on. Ow! Hey! You could have killed me! Hey! Yo, sponge dude! Bro! What the heck, man? Bad! Sponge bro, I prefer. Dude, you can't do that. Not cool. What the heck, man? Yo, watch yourself, bro. That could have really hurt me, man. I could have died. Here, I give you blocks. I don't want your blocks, okay? I don't want your blocks at all. I will build on my own, no problemo at all. Come on. Yeah. Yay! Huh! 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 Bah! Huh! 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 Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Yay! This is actually really fun, dude. This is totally not dangerous at all. Hey. You know where I got... Ow! Yo! Bro! You want to get expelled? You know where I got these blocks? Where? Huh? Where'd you get those blocks? I sold them for Mr. Krabs. Oh, that's I guess that's pretty cool. It's 2018, but okay, whatever. All right. We don't really care. No, all right. So, what's your point? Hey, Skylar, can you come over here real quick? This is called the army. I stole his money to fire a missile. What? Skylar, are you okay? What are you talking about? He can get angry and come here. What are you talking about? What would he? No, he can't. I feel like SpongeBob, you're putting your problems on us. You gotta stop with all the emotional problems you're putting on us. Like, I don't want any part of it. Come on, like, I don't want that negativity, bruh. All right, stay away from me. I don't want you. I'm out of here. Bad SpongeBob. Ow! Skylar, you're a savage. You know that? You're a complete savage. You know what, SpongeBob? Honestly, man, I kind of see you trying to become like our friend and all, and like trying to fit in, but honestly, dude, we're not interested. It's just not working. It's not you, bro. It's us. Huh? Yeah. We say, I don't think we can be friends. You're kind of evil, dude. Yeah. Hey! I've got the shot. Scott, it's okay. Come on, let me handle this. I'm a professional. I do this on a daily basis. I talk to people every single day. Trust me. I got this. Oh, SpongeBob, no hard feelings, right, buddy? Like you know, don't worry about it. Come on, like, oh, you ruined it, Moose. We're fine. Come on. There's a lot of hard feelings. What do you mean? There's a lot of hard feelings? Come on, there's no problem. Like, you know, you're older than us. Hey, stop! Ow! Bro! What's it about? He looks much bigger now. Don't bro me. Oh, ow! Oh my god, the lava. I ain't your bro. Kill it! SpongeBob! Dude, be the mature adult. Come on, bro. We're just not interested, dude. Like, you're older than us and you're like really weird and stuff, and like, you're like kind of scary and like you do crazy things that I don't want to be part of. I don't want to be part of your negativity, dude. Like, it's just how it is. Like, the way I see it is 90% of who you surround yourself with, you're gonna become like them, and I'll become like you. Yeah, I went there. Savage. What's this for? I can't use this. I can't. Oh! I am so sorry. Wait, is he gone? Oh, he's still alive. I think it's our time to run. Like, I am bulletproof. All right, I'll be on my way. Ah! Everyone watching this video, subscribe. Stop the bell to protect us from evil SpongeBob, man. Yo, we gotta get him arrested, bro. Wait a minute, hold on. That's the point. We gotta get him arrested. Then that way, he and his bro will never come after us. Oh, hey! I have an idea. Skylar, have you ever, like, do you know how to be a police officer and stuff? Act like you're an undercover cop or something, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like a super undercover cop. Kinda. Okay. Alright, watch, I got you. SpongeBob, oh, I'm so innocent. Oh, no, I'm not looking at all. Oh, no, I hope no one commits a crime by taking my moose milk and my flour. Oh, no. Oh. I don't think it's working. I feel like the sponge is kind of loose. You know what? I think, like, there's like an empty... I think it even has a brain. It's like empty in there. Look at it. It's a sponge, dude. Oh. I think he's looking at me. Hey, SpongeBob. Low-key. SpongeBob. Check it out. What is life? SpongeBob, check it out. It's a new paintball weapon. You can use it for stuff. You want it, buddy? Just go get it. Yo, Sky, it's a Q. As soon as he picks it up, arrest him. Act like you're a cop. There you go, SpongeBob. Come on. Come closer, buddy. There you go. It's going to be all right. It's totally safe, and it's totally legit and usable. Come on. You got it. There you go, buddy. You're under arrest right now, sir. Sky over here is an undercover cop. Ow! You're under arrest for attacking the moose. This is the police. Put your hands in the air. You're going to prison, dude. Anything used will be against you, moose milk. Is that how you... Oh, I fell. Hey, you are caught red-handed, sir. You are not going anywhere. We got a runner. We got a runner. I wish I could come after you, but I died multiple times. We got a runner. Okay, you're about to turn red. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is another offense for offending a police officer. Hey, you okay? I can't really help you because, yeah, I got no blocks and stuff. So, hey, come back here. SpongeBob, where'd you go? Aw, snap. Ow! That was you. That was you, Skylar. That was you that time. Hey! Oh, he's back! Hold him down! I got him! I'm holding him down! I got his leg! I got his leg! Here we go! I throw a snowball at him! Bah! 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 Hold him down! He's going to jail forever, Bo. Bah! Come here! Here, put steak on him. Put steak on him. He's gonna get dried up now. Yeah! Steak is SpongeBob's weakness. Whoa. That's a pretty cool paintball. Yeah, pretty dope. Alright, that's it, sir. Anything used against you will be used against you to use against you. The court of law is used against you. You're under arrest. That's it. You're going to jail. Take him away, Skylar. Oh, man. You have the right to stay silent. I feel like we've messed up every single, like, Miranda rights and stuff. Take him away. Kinda. Take him away. I don't want to see this chump on my streets again. Officer MooseCraft. Hey, it's my stank face. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Hope y'all did enjoy. Subscribe, set the bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.